Hey there, and welcome to the 6-month challenge. I'm Kate. If you're a stay-at-home mom, a content creator, or just someone who wants to utilize their social media to create a steady income, this challenge is for you. I've broken down everything into very small, actionable steps that you can take. Each month has 6 cycles. Each cycle focuses on a specific area like photography, editing, and pitching to brands. Each cycle is divided into 6 daily tasks to help you stay focused and make consistent progress without feeling overwhelmed. I created this structure to ensure that you're building a solid foundation before tackling more advanced skills. By the end of this 6 months, you will have a fully monetized social media presence, a polished portfolio, and the confidence to manage your own brand deals like a seasoned pro. To make this journey even easier, I'll send you a daily email with your task for the day, plus a link to the YouTube video associated with that day and task. And as a bonus, you'll get access to free templates, cheat sheets, and more exclusively for my email subscribers. If you're ready to join, comment below with today's date, the day that you are starting the 6-month challenge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any tips, tricks, or tutorials. And hey, if you know someone that could benefit from this challenge, share this video with them. It really helps to have an accountability partner when you're going through a program like this, because you guys can hype each other up, you can hold each other accountable, and it's really nice to have someone to share your wins with. Join the email list right now so I can send you everything that you need to succeed. I have a special little welcome packet ready just for you. Let's do this together. I cannot wait to see how far you go in the next 6 months. Let's start building your dream life one day at a time, and I'll see you in cycle 1, day 1.